Okay, I thought today we'd give a quick look to this Go Video DVD player. I did a video on this a while back, but it was just a visual video. I didn't turn it on or plug it in because this is part of the power cord to it. A few years ago, our dog decided to chew on the wire, pretty much not making this DVD player work. So I thought what I might try today is to replace the power cord on it. I have a donor power cord. It's right here. And here's the plug-in part. I've already taken the power board out of the DVD player. So it's right here. So as you can tell, the power wires are right here. I went ahead and cut the old wire off, spliced these back. If you notice right down here, you'll notice that it is actually soldered onto the board with a little bit of heat shrink. So I have two options on this, pretty much. First option would be to go ahead and desolder the wires off the board right here and right here, and then go ahead and cut these wires and then solder these onto where that was, cut this Molex pin off. Or my other option is to leave these wires here, take this power cord, go ahead and cut the Molex pin off, like right here, splice this back a little bit, and go ahead and just take a couple of butt connectors like this right here, and then go ahead and slide this on here like that. I'm going to have to splice these back a little bit, but just to give you an idea. And then crimp this down, and then of course with the splice wire of this, go ahead and hook it to that. So it may be a little less time consuming just to do it that way with the butt connectors rather than try to desolder all this and put the extra time into soldering the wires and stuff like that. So that is the plan. I'm probably going to go ahead and do this off camera just because. So I will be back when I have the wires back on and the butt connectors on. So I will be right back. Okay, after a little bit of finessing here are the butt connectors that's attached to the power cord, which is down in here. Goes down and then goes down into the power board here. I got the power board mounted back in here. I got my screws put back in. There's a few here and there. There's three ground wires, one there. Let's see. The other one is right here. Where is it? Right here. And then there's one back here. You see the little black wire right here. I went ahead and plugged in all the other various connectors. The little Molex pin here and these little guys back here. I had and this is not the Molex pin that I showed in the beginning of the video. This actually plugs into the power board here and drives the DVD mechanism. I had a little issue trying to figure out how to route the power cord and to keep it from wiggling around, so I think I found a pretty good solution. So what I did was, for right now, this is the anti-stress thing right here. So I got wire tied. I got it wire tied right here. So this doesn't move as much. I also have, it's hard to see under the ribbon cable here, but there is a wire tie holding this. And then down here is a zip tie. And then along the back here, I went ahead and drilled 2 holes in the back and put a zip tie through here to help kind of hold this power cord into place. Let me go ahead and flip this around to the back, show you what I did. So right here, I drilled a hole here and I drilled a hole here, and then back here too. Drilled 2 holes right here, ran a zip tie through it. For right now, until I can figure something else out, right here, I just went ahead and put some electrical tape around this, kind of to help keep this from rubbing. Eventually, I'll find some kind of bushing to stick in there. I was going to take the anti-short bushing off of this right here, or take the one off the old power cord, but the way it looks is this is pretty much mounted to the cord. So in order to get this off, I would probably end up destroying the cord. So anyway, so that's, oh, and this thing's in pretty good. So what I thought we would do, go ahead and plug it in, and we'll see if we fixed it. Let's see, let's plug this in over here. Okay. All right. Let's see what happens. Let's see. Power. Oh, I hear it doing something. Oh, okay. Cool. All right. So we got that working. So let's go ahead. I'm going to set my mount down right here. Sorry for the wiggle. So let's see. Let's go ahead and see if this will open. There we go. And I'm not going to hook this up to a TV. I'm not going to do anything. I actually have a CD that I'm going to put in here just to see if it'll spin up and you know, do what it's supposed to do. So we'll just throw that in there. We'll go ahead and close that. Let's watch the disc spin a little bit. All right. All right. Looks like we have another working DVD player. Okay. So what I'm going to do is go ahead and button this back up, and cool, I got a working DVD player again. I might go ahead and connect this to a TV in a future video. I don't know. I'll have to see. But so yeah, that's seems to be working. All right. All right, so I'm going to consider this a fix. So anyway, that will be it for this video. If you like my content, go ahead and click subscribe. Leave me a comment if you have one. And as always, thank you for watching.